हेलो दोस्तों, केजी क्लासेस में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम आपको आइडियम्स एंड फ्रेजेस का पार्ट 2 पढ़ाएंगे। इंग्लिश टू इंग्लिश मीनिंग है हेड एंड ईयर्स completely, hand and globe with very friendly, hard and fast, rigid, to hold one's on, to maintain one's position boldly, to have one's way, to do one's own will, options, choice, no choice at all, to hold one's tongue, to keep silence, in the long run, in the end, in a nutshell, briefly, an iron hand, severe hand, in the nick of time, just in time, to be in vogue, to be in fashion, in the air, wide spreads, in black and white, in writing, in cold blood, cruelty, ins and out means full detail, in the course of means during, in hot water, in difficulty, a jailbird, a person who has been to jail many times, kith and kin, relatives, to keep body and soul together, to remain alive, to keep the ball from the door, to keep away hunger and starvation, knit one's brow, to get angry, to keep one's head above water, to escape debt, to knock down bad defeat, loins share a major share, let down, to fail, to keep promise, loaves and fishes, material comfort, let off, released, the long and short in brief, to look blue, dispraised, to lead astray, to misguide, to leap in the dark, a careless action, to lend a hand, to help, a man in the street, an ordinary person, a man's nest, a rumor, maiden speech, a speech delivered the first time, to make up one's mind, to resolve, a man of means, a rich man, to mince matter, not to talk plainly, a man of moment, an important person, a man of word, a reliable person, to make headway, to progress slowly and steadily, a 9 days bonder, pleasure for a short period, a necessary evil, an unavoidable evil, once for all, finally, out of gear, out of order, odds and ends, different things, off and on, now and then, or no avail, of no use, out of pocket, without money, out of question, impossible, over and above, beside, out of place, not proper to the occasion, out of date, out of fashion, on the eve of, just before, offhand, without previous preparation, out and out, completely, nook and corner, everywhere, to nurse a grudge, to revenge, neck to neck, side by side, now and again, occasionally, to pick a quarrel, intentionally begin a quarrel, pros and cons, arguments for and against, palmy days, prosperous and peaceful days, to pull one's leg, to make a fool of, to a past master, through what master, to poke one's nose, to interfere with, to pay and piper, to bear the cost, to put in cold storage, to neglect, a queer face, a strange person, a rainy day, a time of difficulty, a red letter day, lucky and important day, root and branch entirely, to run down, weak and help, a red rage to a bull, a case for anger, red tapism, officially formality, round the corner, near, run through, waste, A royal road, an easy way to achieve an end, to smell a rat, to suspect something, to save one's skin, to accept without loss, see through, understand, safe and sound, safely, soiled head, pride, snake in the grass, a hidden enemy, to see eye to eye with, to agree, a seat anchor, the chief support, snuff and nonsense, foolish, smooth sailing, no difficulty, speak and spun, very neat and tidy, swan song, last great achievement of work, to sing fast, to grow worse and worse, to steal a march, to get the advantage secretly, to share in the face, to return a shortcut, an easy way, a stone's throw very near, to see there, to see with angry eyes, street Arabs, homeless and parentless children, a slow coach, a lazy person, to set at naught, to disregard, tooth and nail violently, to toe and toe the line, to follow another's opinion, to turn turtle, to upset, to throw cold water on, to discourage, talk of the town, a widespread topic, to and fro, backward and forward, time and tide, course of time, time and again, repeatedly, the three rays, reading, writing and arithmetic, up one's sleeves in reserve, utopian scheme, a visionary scheme, ups and downs, good and bad times, up and doing, active, to while away, to pass in amusement, to win the palm, to win a prize, to worship the rising sun, to respect the man who is rising in power, to weather the storm, to come out safely through a difficulty, to build up, to bring to an end with one's accord, with one voice, to win laurels, to achieve success, wait upon, to serve, wide awake, watchful, a white lie, a harmless lie, a white elephant, an expensive, burdensome, but useless thing, wear and tear, decrease in value due to constant use, well-to-do, rich, way and means, resources, why and wherefore, region, a word of mouth, a solemn promise, windfall, unexpected good fortune, wheels within wheels, complication, a warm reception, to receive cordially, Judas kiss, false love, black ox misfortune, at death's door about to die, a eagle-eyed, keen-sighted, an old flame, sweet-hearted, pen and ink in writing, lame excuse, false excuse, a Herculean task, a work which needs tremendous effort, blind ally, unprofitable action, kangaroo court, unofficial court, open question, a question without any agreed answer, all the go in fashion, all moonshine far from reality, a blind date, meeting with someone you do not know, mother with common sense, mad as a March hare, as mad as here is spring, a grass widow, a woman whose husband is temporarily away from her, an olive branch, an offer to peace, to make a pile, to make a fortune, elbow room, to give enough space to move or work in, a lady's habit, riding dress of a lady, until and unless under condition, slow and steady, slow but and at continuous pace. Its ifs and buts doubtful. To rent cats and dogs to rent heavily. Bag and baggage with all belongings. Paradise on earth, a heaven on land. Old as hills, very old. 9 days wonder, a short-lived glory. Needle woman, a lady tailor. A nignob, a fool. Miss the mark to fail. Many men, many minds, as many persons, so many opinions. Leave for to depart. Kiss the dust to be humiliated. Kiss the road, accept the punishment. Kick the bucket to die. Itching palm, habit of taking bribe. Itsy bitsy, very small, in the same boat, in the same condition, in the nickel of time, just in time, in spite of, notwithstanding, in search of, in quest of, in short, in brief, in lieu of, in place of, in embryo, and under developing stage, in consideration of, due to, in addition to, along with, a green horse, an inexperienced person, a good egg, an excellent person, grassroots, initial stage, gavel, a senseless chatter, get rid of, to become free from sun to sun, between sunrise to sunset, for want of, sort of, from A to Z, from beginning to end, for the sake of, for one's sake, evergreen, be fresh always, even if though drop in the ocean very insignificant amount, drop on one's knees to woe, to die in one's bed, to die during sickness, a dead silence, immense quietness, cold reception, a dry welcome, close-fisted mister, a beauty sleep, to sleep before midnight, able of, to make use of, at stake, in danger, at case, easily, as soon as, no sooner, acquainted with, to meet someone. Thanks.